as the water's depth was run or paid out. Therefore, it was the total weight of the anchor and chain which held the ship to our anchorage.
Okay, this is primary flight control. If you've seen Tom Cruise in the movie Top Gun, well, this is where the fellow was drinking his coffee and Tom Cruise went whizzing by right here. He spilled it all over him. Yeah, this is what differentiates all of the other Navy ships from carriers, is this area that we're standing in. This is where the air boss works. We want to have the hook about 12 feet from the back of the ship to the hook. And each airplane is longer or shorter, and so as a result we have to adjust the glide path so you land in the number 2 wire.